You've seen the typical flex, right? Other martial artists flashing their belts and medals, showing off their tournament wins. Then there's the social media highlight reel of people training in perfectly manicured studios with the latest gear. And let's not forget those flashy poses in front of their biggest fans, all for the likes and shares. But listen, let's talk real flex. How about dominating in the ring using top-notch sniper fighting knowledge that leaves opponents stunned, or confidently sparring with rivals and showcasing your unique style that stands out from the pack? And what about that feeling of community, sharing techniques and growing with other true practitioners? That's the real flex.